Anyone who's ever stressed that your phone or your tablet or whatever is gonna run out of juice on the go, this is what you need. This is a gorgeous wired 20,000 milliampere portable power bank. I was sent it to review from INIU, so let me show you a closer look because it is so tiny and compact and versatile and powerful and just amazing. You've got 2 input and outputs and a third, which is just for output. You've got USB-C to C cord. Turn it on here. It shows you how much juice you have left. Double click here to use the torch slash flashlight. So handy. Amazing. Use this to charge it up, no wall plug included, so provide your own or plug it into a computer, a power station, something like that. And then you can power this up to recharge it, 20,000 milliamperes. Then you can use this also to charge up your phone or device. Look at how tiny that is. And then if you want to use these other slots, then you've got to just provide your own cords. Just amazing. And so tiny too. Like the size of a pack of cards, honestly. You can detach this if you don't want to keep the cord attached, but I think it's super handy. That way you don't lose it and you always have a cord available. So you just pop that in there, pop that in there, and there you go. How much juice exactly is 20,000 milliamperes? Let me tell you, it'll charge an iPhone 17 4 times. And your AirPod Pro, 23 charges. 23. It's super fast charging too, with a maximum 22.5 watts output, utilizing the latest PD3 and a QC4 fast charging technology. So this will help you charge your phone up to about 75% in 30 minutes, like so fast. You can use all 3 ports at once. I absolutely love this charger from INIU, and I know you will too.